Isn't it peaceful tonight, Juno?
Yeah, just us and the neon sky.
Hey, slowpokes! Bet you can't beat me on the mag rail.
Me? Racing? I don't know.
Catch me if you can! Hold on, Kira. We've got this! Jump now, Kira. Trust me.
All right, here goes nothing.
Looks like I win. But hey, you two weren't half bad.
We might need a rematch someday.